Hi, beautiful children. Today I'm going to teach you how to find the volume of a triangular prism. Anytime you have a prism, you will have two bases that are parallel to each other. This is a triangular prism. I know it's a triangular prism because it has two triangles that are parallel to each other. But typically on paper, you will see a triangular prism like this, so you can see the triangle and the prism part. Or sometimes they'll show it to you like this, so you can see the triangle and that it's being extended into a prism. Be careful with this though, because if it's standing like this, some people think that this is the base because it's sitting on the bottom. I like to think of it as if this was me as a person, my feet is the base of my body. If I'm sleeping, my feet are still my base. So be careful. An easy way to know what kind of shape you have, whatever they say in the shape is your base. Triangular prism has a triangle base. I don't know if you've ever heard of Toblerone, but it is a triangular prism. I'm going to open it up here. So the chocolate is also a triangular prism, and the chocolate has a base of a triangle, and it's just got triangles stacked on top of each other. Now, if this was a true triangular prism, they would be covered and there wouldn't be any spaces. But the box is still a triangular prism. Let me put this away real quick. Volume of a triangular prism. All prisms have the exact same formula for volume. V equals capital BH. Capital B stands for the area of the base. The base of a triangular prism is a triangle. So I'm going to put an arrow for capital B and put A equals. I have my base kind of off, so I'm just going to cut this little piece off so I can use this. The formula for area of a triangle is half BH. It's a tiny triangle, so it might not be exact, but I'm going to round as close as I can. So the base of my triangle is 4. Now the height of my triangle has to be perpendicular to the base, 90 degrees. Okay, so I'm just going to measure the triangle straight up off to the side. So it looks like my triangle is about 3 cubes tall. Okay, so I moved my little triangle over here. So area equals half of the base times height. So area equals half, that all stays the same. My base of my triangle is 4, and the height of my triangle is 3. Area of the triangle is half of 4 times 3. I can do it in any order, left to right, whole numbers first, whatever, because it's multiplication. Multiplication can go in any order. I'm going to do my whole numbers first. 4 times 3 is 12. I'm going to copy everything else down just like it looks. That means A equals and half is coming straight down. Now I have A equals half of 12. Half of 12 is 6. If you're not sure what half of something is, remember, you can always divide by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. I'm going to plug that 6 into my formula for area of the base. My base was a triangle. My area of the triangle is 6. That belongs right here under B for area of the base. I forgot to measure the height of my triangular prism. So let's go ahead and do that now. I want to see how tall it is, starting from my base, going all the way up. My prism is laying flat, but I'm still measuring the height. So I'm measuring how tall it is coming from my base. So it looks like I have 21 cubes. Since the height of my prism is 21 cubes, I'm going to put that for the height here for volume. And I'm going to bring down V equals. Okay, so I know these guys are super close, but we already worked on that. Right now, we just have 6 times 21 left. 21 times 6 is 126. So V equals 126. So that means the volume of this triangular prism is 126 cubic centimeters. That means I should be able to perfectly fit 126 of these cubes into this shape. Do you think it would fit? I hope this helped you learn how to solve volume of triangular prisms. I love you. Have a good day. Bye.